Let's kickstart our day by drinking coffee before going to work. Time to go make $1 again. Another day, another dollar, another grace of God. So let's go to work. Okay, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day going to work. Here. Hey, hi, hey, hey, hey you, hey you. How excited, how excited. Hey you, come here, come here. Hey, wow, whoa, whoa. Yes. Oh my gosh, how excited is this girl? Okay, we're getting ready for school.
My bag won't close.
Okay, only Haley's foot is showing because she doesn't want her face on it.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. So just stunning foot. See?
Hello, foot model agencies.
You can contact me for that. Okay, let's go. I'll wait for you in the car. You're excited for school. Okay, let's go.
It's gonna be 20, guys. 20.
Is it gonna be 20 today?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm wearing shorts.
Okay, just your shoulder, Haley.
It's so funny.
No, it's okay. You're fine. Let's go. Let's go. It's going to be a very warm day. And I think for you it's going to be sweaty today, you think?
I think so.
Yeah. Would you think that, Kate? But you don't have PE today. You don't have PSET. You do have PSET? Bye. Have a good day. It's not time to sleep.
Yes, it is. Bye.
Bye.
Ah! Oh no, it's stuck in my leg.
There's Haley.
And I'm still here.
And you're still here. Bye. You have your stuff? Better make sure you have everything, okay?
Oh my God.
Have a good day. See you later, Kate. Bye. So, uwi na ako para ituloy na yung or mag-start na sa gagawin sa bahay. 5 to 7 minutes yung drive from sa house ng amo ko hanggang sa school ng mga bata. So, it's not bad unless na traffic. Pag ma-traffic, siguro abutin kami ng 10 minutes pero most of the time, wala namang traffic. Gawa nga ng itong pandemic, walang masyadong pumapasok sa opisina or something like that. Kaya hindi siya busy. Ang street ay hindi busy. So ito ang araw-araw kong rota. Pag uwi ko, tatapos kong i-drop off yung aking mga bata. So tutuloy ko ulit pagdating ko sa bahay. Okay, so nakabalik na ako mula sa the drop off ng aking mga alaga sa school. Balik to work na. Ready for your morning walk? Let me open first. Good morning. Oh. Is it okay? Oh. At ito ang aking nadatnan. May kickstand sila kasi birthday ng ampong lalaki kagabi. So, obviously, gumawa sila ng cake. So, ganito siya kagulo. Let's see how fast I can tidy up this kitchen. Nandyan yung aking CP24 working. It's not that bad. Okay, Santana. Are you gonna be with me? Are you gonna help me, Santana? Empty the dishwasher. Paano kung ina-arrange ng mga dishes dito sa dish? Itong amo ko, marunong siyang, yan, inayos nila dyan sa sink yung mga pinggan. Kaya lang, hindi na siya kasya. So, nilagay niya lang dyan sa surroundings. Which is okay. Yan, yung mga wine glass. Gawa akong kape ko because coffee is life. Hindi ko ito ini-sprayan ng harsh na chemical kasi marble siya. So, kailangan lang tubig and then dry cloth. Malinis na. Ako totally done pero mukhang kasina na siya. Malinis na. Today is grocery day. So, I just came back from the grocery. Yan, ang lahat ng mga binili ko for them. So, let's start unloading. Wow, guys. Ang dami. Dito. At lang yan, umaapaw kanina yung cart. Come up. You can come up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, tuwan-tuwa siya. Namiss na ako. Okay. Nilalagay ko dito yung lagay sa pantry. Tapos ayan yung pantry na. Organize. Oh, Santana, I bought you some plastic for your poo-poo. Okay. Yan. Yung iba kasi nag-sale, kaya dinoble-doble ko na. So, kompleto naman. May vegetables, fruits, meat, lahat na. Itong mga pang snacks ng mga alaga ko, yung iba, at yung mga soup na yan, broth, nilalagay ko sa pantry sa baba, yung extra. Kasi mga dumating na sample yung kasi ano siya sa No Frills, Love Loss, Superstore. Kaya may mga sample sila. May mga sample siyang natatanggap. Yan, maayos na yung pantry. Alam kong ipapakita sa inyo ay yung pagliligpit ko sa bed ng amo ko at yung routine. Pagpapalit ako today ng bed sheets ng amo ko. Papalitan yung isang malaki na yun. Kasi yung display lang naman. Kailangan unatin para nagdadusting lang ako ngayon kasi hindi naman masyadong dumi. Dito sa abroad, hindi pwedeng pa-cute. Kailangan gawin mo para lang kumita ng pera. Basta disente, okay lang. Maglinis ka sa bahay man, mag-alaga ka ng bata, maglinis ka sa mall, okay lang yan. Para sa pamilya at sa kinabukasan. Ayan. Tapos ko nang i-vacuum. Yung pagmamap ko, minsan is twice a month. Ganon lang. Kasi sa dami ng gagawin ko pang iba, hindi ko na magagawa yun ngayon. Gawin ko next time. So, ganon ang routine ko. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung routine ko during the day. So, pag minsan doon sa kwarto ng mga alaga ko, minsan yung paglilinis ko ng mga bathroom, shower at saka toilet, papakita ko minsan sa inyo yon. Or, yung paglilinis ko dun sa office ng amo ko. Malaki yun eh. So, yan lang for now. So, I'm on my 1-hour break. Kasali ito sa 10-hour work day ko. Paid siya, so don't worry. Simple lang ang lulutuin ko ngayong pagkain nila. Gagamit ako ng ready-made na sauce. Madali lang yung pagkain nila. So yung gagamitin kong sauce for the chicken. Hindi ito, this is not sponsored. Pero we'll be using this one. Simple lang. So ito yung diced chicken. Lagyan ko ng konting salt. Bago ko pipikapin yung mga alaga ko, nagluluto na ako ng depende sa pagkain na lulutuin ko. Kagaya ngayon, pwede kong i-prep. Pwede kong lutuin before ko silang pick-upin. So, it's okay. Nagluto ako dito ng rice, long grain. Lagyan ko ng salt and butter. Butter. Okay. That's okay. We are going to cook the chicken.
Be off to the side for a minute,
Okay.
okay?
I'm gonna take turn. This simple recipe. I'm using this right now. Oh, I have a tip. Yeah, I made this. So it's good. Your face is not in there.
So why are you
I'm actually recording that. It's okay. Because Haley definitely don't want to be in the video. Kate, on the other hand, bake the banana market. pwede lang pag-sabi. Mostly mga babae multitasker. So yan. Ready na ang ating pang-dinner. Ganda itong ano, pagka wala pa masyadong time dito. Pang magulutan. Okay naman sa kanila eh. Tapos na. Okay. Nagmantika na yung side. Kaya okay na to. Luto na rin yung kanin. Sundin ko yung mga bata. Yun ang sunod nating gagawin. Magsundo ng mga bata. Magsundo ng mga bata pagkatapos magluto. Pero actually, sometimes, sinusundo ko muna sila bago ako magluto. Depende sa kanilang kakainin. So, see you in a bit. Ayan na yung butter chicken. At yung binake cones, banana muffins. Tapos ito naman yung kanin. Long grain rice. Guys, alright. Alright. So guys, tapos na akong magluto ng kanilang dinner. So, magsusundo na lang ako. Pero normally, ang ginagawa ko, magsundo muna ako and then magluluto ng dinner nila. But, since yung dinner nila is simple lang at pwede siyang masok doon sa sauce niya. So, minabuti kong lutuin na lang and then magsusundo ako sa kanila. Para pagdating ko, magtutupi na lang ako ng mga nilaban. O, di ba walang tigil? Ang trabaho ng nanny, ganyan talaga. Pero, you know, kagaya ng sabi ko, as long as you love what you're doing, it doesn't matter. Hindi ka makakaramdam ng kapaguran na, ewan ko, pero parang ganun ang pakiramdam ko eh. So, at least at the end of the day, masaya ka. So, I'm going to get them at babalikan ko kayo pagdating nila dito sa car. Let's go. Get the girls. Mga 5 to 7 minutes drive tayo to go pick up the girls. At din pag-uwi. Kaya we expect na in half an hour we'll be home. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Here comes the princess. What's that? Oh, thank you. Wow. He gave me a flower. It's already spring. It's coming out.
It's like it's.
Flowers are sprouting and blooming.
I feel
So that
like
means
someone
that
just lit my back on fire and I just recovered.
What does that mean?
No, we did a 100-meter sprint today, and I got 20 seconds exactly on a 100-meter sprint.
Wow, you're fast. You could be in the Olympics.
No, Olympic runners get like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay. Okay. Very tired?
Very.
Very. Okay. Take a rest. Sit down and buckle up.
Could we open the window while we're driving? It's so hot.
Maybe. Yes.
Don't.
Okay.
Ah, two.
Hello.
Hi.
Just so you know, there's a ongoing video, but you're not seeing, so it's okay.
Okay.
Just show your hands right there. Oh, just say hi.
Hello.
Oh, there's Haley. Okay. Now, close your door, and I'm gonna open the windows a little bit because I know it's hot. I've been wearing t-shirt all day in the house.
I have shorts, Brenda.
You have shorts?
Look, shorts.
Oh yeah. Oh, not this. Right there.
No, open more.
No, it's not gonna. Not too much. Yeah. Just so you know you're in the video. Okay, now we're on our way. See you in a bit.
It's so hot.
See you in a bit. Say goodbye.
See you in a bit. See you in 2 seconds.
See you in 2 seconds. Lapse. How was your day at school? Good. What about you, Kate? Aside from your sprint that's ripping your back.
Yeah, 100 meters. It's not ripping my back. My hot.
Oh, okay. Well, it's definitely hot. Today is 20 degrees, and I don't know. Tomorrow, I think it's going to be 12. What did your phone say, or whoever?
I don't know.
I think it's 12 tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit colder.
This is like the best day of 2021.
Because it's warm.
Yeah. And me and
You're going on a walk with mommy.
yeah, and we're gonna go get candy.
Candy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh wait, it's recording.
Oh. It's okay. We captured it on camera. No one can deny it. No one can lie.
For those of you who live in Toronto, if you live in Toronto, then it's comment how hot it is where you are, because it's super hot where we are. I'm boiling in hot water.
It's Thursday. Tell them it's Thursday and the temperature is 20 degrees.
It's Thursday, March
25th?
25th.
25th.
I think.
Yeah. It's really hot today. It's nice. You can see that lady is like wearing a tank top. Show your beautiful curls. Or show your beautiful face. They would ask me, can you show
It's the first time
Haley's
Haley's
face.
reveal. It's the only
face
time.
reveal? You can actually see her right there. Huh?
Oh, she's
Take
just
out your
trying to
hands.
block
Take
me.
out your hands.
She's just trying to block me.
No, they know your face already, so it's okay. Take out your hands and show your beautiful
That
face.
guy looks like Gordon Ramsay.
Who?
There's a guy biking behind us, and he looks like Gordon Ramsay.
That is a very tiny Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay is not that petite.
It could be his
is.
doppelganger.
Oh. It's double when he does movies. or when he's cussing on his cooking show.
Do you watch him?
I do watch him sometimes, but not often. Gordon Ramsay. He would love to be on my vlog, which I like. It's okay. I like being on the vlog.
100 and what is it? Like 18 people are watching me right now.
Yeah.
Well,
Show your face, Helly.
why would I do that? Speaking of that,
Just show
down,
your beautiful face.
Go down and subscribe. And like this video. I mean, you don't have to like this video, but at least subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Well, it would be nice if they like the video as well.
yeah. But liking the video.
It's okay. Just like and subscribe and share. Alright?
Do the YouTube crap. And you can also refresh your page and watch this over and over again so Brenda gets a bunch of views.
Wow. I doubt that, but that would be nice.
Who has that much commitment
No,
to watch a
too
YouTube
much.
video.
Too much watching of me.
If you're going to try and refresh your page for some given lots of views, maybe you should find something slightly better to do with your life.
Yeah. Did you? No. Alright. We're home.
No, don't.
Show your face. Half.
Half your face without.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, hi, Haley.
It's so big, it's so beautiful.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful fingers. Okay. We're back home from school. Just looking for some snacks. We just came back from school and Kate is like indulging in chips. And she's as well of good things.
Cheers
to
to myself.
do. Okay, go. Cheers to yourself. Wow, you can already restart without.
Also, Brenda, that's copyright music. You have to.
Okay, before I go home, magtutupi muna ako ng nilabhan ko. So, dahil nagpalit ako ngayon ng bedsheets ng amo ko, tutupiin ko muna bago ako umalis. Kung minsan naman yung mga damit ng mga alaga ko. Why are you down here, Santana? Go back upstairs. Okay, time to go home. Nalpas man na yung titrabaho. Tapos na naman ang work. So, it's time to go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Santana. Aww. Okay, time to go. It's the end of the day. I'm so excited. Tapos na naman ang araw. Thank you, Lord, sa paggabay mo na naman sa araw na ito sa akin. And it's Thursday and it's my weekend since I work only 4 days a week. From Monday to Thursday. 10 hours every day. Kaya 40 hours ako considered. Full-time din ito. So, I have 3 days off kung considered 3 days off yan. Kasi every weekend ko, starting Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, ay mga gawaing bahay naman ang ginagawa natin. So, I don't think there is a day off at all. But anyway, at least relax lang. Times I plan my day as well, even on the weekends, para makapag-vlog ako. And if you have any comments on whatever you want me to discuss on the vlog, or ikukwento or whatever, aside from what I'm doing right now, please comment down below para malaman ko kung ano yung mga dapat kong i-video at i-upload para sa inyo. So long, next time again. At ingat kayo palagi at manalangin tayong lagi sa Panginoon na nawa ay mawala na itong pandemya na nararanasan natin. At magbalik tayo kahit man lang 80% of our normal life before. So, stay safe kayo, mag-ingat palagi at laging mananalangin tayo sa Panginoon. God bless, take care, always smile, because it will always make a difference on your life and someone else's life. Bye-bye!